Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver to help you lose weight permanently. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day. We're going 3 exercises, 3 sets for a total of 10 minutes. Transformers, let's go. All right guys, first exercise, we're gonna be doing some knee push-ups. Ready? And let's go. We got 45 seconds. Make sure those elbows are tucked in, those shoulders are strong, core is strong, you're pushing up through those arms. Great exercise for strengthening the arms, strengthening the chest. Okay, come all the way down and then come all the way up. Give me a big push. We're gonna be doing a full body workout today. Good. Halfway there guys, 20 seconds. Good, as soon as you come down, come straight back up and push through those arms. You guys are doing great. Finish strong with me, 10 seconds. Keep breathing. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work. All right, our next exercise, we're gonna be going into Flutter Kicks. Let's get you guys lying down on the mat. Legs are gonna be up here, and then we're gonna kick on the spot. Ready in 3, 2, 1, and let's go Flutter Kicks. We're gonna be doing this exercise for 45 seconds. Make sure your back is nice and flat, your core is engaged. Good, as best you can, keep those knees straight. Good, keep the back nice and flat, keep the shoulders down, keep the head back, continue to breathe. Nice work, great exercise for strengthening the lower abs, strengthening the core. We got 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, take a little breather. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing crunches. In 10 seconds, both shoulders lift off the floor and then try to bring your chin to the ceiling. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Crunches. Nice work. Try to lift both those shoulders off the floor and then really engage the upper abs. You guys are doing great. Keep the core engaged. As soon as you come down, come straight back up. Nice work. Almost there, guys. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, you got a 45-second breather, and then we're gonna move on into our next set. Okay, still got 30 seconds. Grab some water if you need. All right, let's get ready for our next exercise. We're gonna be doing some dumbbell rows with one arm. Big step forward, big step back, and then we're gonna drive the elbows up right here. 2, 1, and let's go. 45 seconds. Make sure you have a big step forward, big step back. You're leaning forward, your shoulder is down, and then you're driving the elbow up. Good. Nice work, guys. Keep the core tight, keep the head back, keep the arms and shoulders strong. We're gonna work the biceps, we're gonna work the upper back, the rhomboids, the lats. 20 seconds. Good, big pull, guys. Nice work. 10 seconds coming up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. All right, we're gonna switch arms. Same thing, big step forward, big step back, we're going to lean forward here and then dumbbell rows with the other arm. Ready, position. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good, big pull. Drive up to the elbows. Good, nice work. 30 seconds. Nice work, guys. 15 seconds. Pretend like you're pulling 50 pounds, high tension. We're almost there. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we're gonna drop the weights. We got butt kicks coming up. Let's keep the heart rate up. Let's work the legs. 10 seconds. And we're gonna start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Butt kicks. Stay light on your feet. Yeah, I want to see the heels touching the bum there. Good work, guys. "25 seconds. I want you guys to like sprint on the spot. Give me some speed. Good work. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, take a little break. You got 45 seconds. Good. After this, we're gonna be doing our final set of the day. All right, still got 30 seconds. Enjoy your break. Let's do a quick leg stretch. Our next set, we're gonna be doing lunges with the right, lunges with the left, and then keeping the heart rate up and finishing strong with some step jacks. Other side. All right, lunges, right leg forward, left leg back, and let's go. 45 seconds. We're gonna be doing both sides. Both the legs are gonna get a nice burn here. Make sure you got a 90-90 bend on both knees. You're keeping that chest up. We're driving through both legs. Good, as you stand up tall, breathe out. Breathe out, nice work. Continue to keep that core nice and tight to help you with your balance. Nice work, guys. We got 20 seconds, more than halfway. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7. Get nice and low. Finish strong here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. All right, we're gonna transition into our other leg. Left leg forward, right leg back. Ready position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. Yeah, keep it going. Pump both the legs. Yeah, pushing up to the front heel. Keep the core tight. We're gonna tone up, we're gonna strengthen the legs. You guys are doing great. Nice work, 25 seconds. Almost there, final push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. And we're gonna bring it home with some jumping jacks coming up. Ready position, 10 seconds. We're gonna go as fast as we can. Jumping jacks right here. You're gonna stay light on your feet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. As quick as you can. This is the last exercise of this workout video. Okay, pump the arms, pump the legs. Stay light on your feet. Nice work, guys. Make every single second count. Good. Nice work, 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds to speed up, go a little quicker. And 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a free personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.